Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with admin rights because many fixes need elevation. Open Windows Security from Start or the shield in the taskbar. This lands you at the right control panel. Once done, identify the exact alert message or take a screenshot so you know whether it's firewall, app and browser control, or virus and threat protection. Make sure to keep network access on if you need to download updates or signatures. This prevents false positives while you proceed. You now diagnose the cause by reading the alert details. It tells you whether an app was blocked, a file quarantined, or a setting triggered. If it's malware-related, update virus definitions and run a quick or full scan to clear threats. If a legitimate app was blocked, allow it through firewall or app and browser control, but first verify its publisher. Once you've adjusted settings, restart affected apps. If behavior persists, run Windows Troubleshooter to collect logs and guide the next steps. You finish by restarting the computer and reopening the function that triggered the alert to confirm it's gone. This ensures changes took effect. Make sure to re-enable any protections you lifted and keep automatic updates on so new threats are blocked. If the alert returns, record exact error codes and timestamps, then check Event Viewer for related entries. Finally, boot into safe mode to run scans or uninstall recent suspicious software. The logs and codes will help you seek more targeted help if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.